Urban environments surround us every day. We wake up in them, commute into them, go to school or college in them. But they are what we overlook as we get engulfed into the chaos of our everyday lives. Urban environments surround us, but how often do we actually notice them? My goal for this project was to show you cityscapes from an angle that you wouldn't normally view them, but in doing so, and despite all the visuals, I found that the real fun comes in exploring the city. I hope I've opened your eyes and inspired you to do the same.